So let's start our discussion dito sa ating IS 121 Fundamentals of Information System. So for our lesson 1, which is the Introduction to Information System. So yung pinaka-weekly topic nito is Information Systems in Perspective in Organization. Yata yung so hindi ka for sure. So tingnan natin sa ating course outline. So i-edit ko kasi yung course outline nito. Ayan, so balik tayo sa course outline para masigurado natin kung ano yung kanyang weekly topic. So ito siya, week 1, Information Systems in Perspectives. So lesson 1 natin is Introduction to Information Systems in Organizations. So yan, balik tayo sa kabila. So yan, buksan natin. So let's discuss ang ating lesson 1. So the objectives natin is distinguish data from information and knowledge, describe the characteristics of quality data, identify the fundamental components of an information system, and describe their function. So in information is one of the organization's most valuable resources. Information is not the same thing as data, and knowledge is different from both data and information. And then this will be the concepts that will be explained sa data. Ito yung mga raw facts. Ayan, yung mga raw information galing sa isang individual or sa other types. For example, is categories na trabaho na isang employee or pwede maging unique identifier, which is the inventory part number or the number of units tinitake na isang student. So ganun yung example ng data or the information. So kung meron ka ng data, yung process sa data, may information na siya. So ito naman yung mga process data na galing sa isang raw information or raw facts. And then once meron ka ng information, ang feedback naman nun or yung output nun is the knowledge, which is the process of defining relationships among data to be useful information. Yan yung knowledge. And then so ano naman ang information system? An IS or information system is a set of interrelated components that collects, process, store, and disseminate data and information. So IS provides a feedback mechanism to monitor and control its operations to make sure it continues to meet its goal and objective. So yun yung input, processing, and outputs. Parehas na yun. Ang input natin is the data, and the processing is the transformation or the process or the applying knowledge based thing organizing and manipulating data. So yung sa processing then or the output, that's the information or the knowledge na makukuha sa isang data. So isa-isayin natin. So input is the activity of gathering and capturing raw data. So for the information is the means of converting or transforming data into useful outputs. And for the output naman, it involves producing useful information, usually in the form of documents and reports. So then for the feedback is the information from the system that is used to make changes to input or processing activities. So ano ba yung CBIS? CBIS or Database Information System is a single set of hardware, software, databases, telecommunication, people, and procedures that are configured to collect, manipulate, store, and process data into information. So we have the hardware. So hardware is the basic information on our basic definition. It's the physical components or the tangible part of a computer system. And for the software, this is the visual representation of what's programmed by the devices. So we have the system software, or also called as operating system. and then the application software such as Microsoft Office or Microsoft Edge sa ating install within the OS. And in the databases, it is the authorized collection of facts and information. And then for the telecommunication is the electronic transmission of signal for communications, which enables the organization to carry out their process and tasks through effective computer networks. And for the networks, it is the interconnection of computers, not only computers, but network-enabled components or equipment or the devices na nag-allow ng mga connection through a network. Then, the internet is the largest computer network consisting of thousands of interconnected networks. And then for the another component is the WW. So the WW, or also known as the World Wide Web, it is the network of links on the internet to documents containing text, graphics, picture, and sound. Information about the documents and access to them are controlled and provided by tens of thousands of the people, the human end users. For the researchers, this include the strategies, policies, methods, and rules for the using CIS. Then for the information system and organizations, so we have personal IS, group IS, and enterprise IS. For the personal IS, it includes information system that improves the productivity of individual users performing standard tasks. Then for the group IS, syempre, mayroong communication or collaboration within a single group or group of persons. And then for the enterprise IS, it includes the organization used to define structured interactions among their own employees and or with external customers, suppliers, government agencies, and other business partners. And then we have each type of IS. First is level 3 workers. It's the employees must be well trained and understand the need for the new system, and the role is in using or operating the system, and how to get the results they need from the system. We have the system support. So, syempre, ito yung show how to gain value from the system and overcome startup problems. And then, better teamwork, syempre, isang is professional or isang group or should be merong better teamwork to be motivated together to achieve the anticipated benefits of the system. And then we have our design process. So, syempre, the design of existing work processes as well as the vision of new processes and then new decision rights. Employees must understand and accept their new roles and responsibilities, including who is responsible for making what decision. So that's in our week one topic or for the IS 121 Fundamentals of Information System. So good luck sa mga students. Ito ngayon nakakameron tayo ng long quiz. So syempre dito magkakaroon ng long quiz dito before we proceed to week 2. Okay, lang guys, and thanks for watching.